Okay, you guys, so this wig is from QDU Dreamy Wigs and Hair. I bought this off of Amazon, and I saw a few girls review it on YouTube, and I was like, you know what? I want to be different. I want to try a green wig. Lord. Okay, so oh, this green. Lime green. Okay. See, look, we knew what we was doing when we ordered it, okay? We knew what we was doing. Let me open it. So I saw some of the reviews from a few people on YouTube, and I thought, you know what? That looked really, really pretty after they slayed it, you know? And I was like, you know what? I be slaying wigs out here in these streets. I could slay this. So I'm finally opening it in. Okay. It looks, you know what? It doesn't feel too cheap. And I got it for like 40 bucks. It doesn't feel cheap. It does feel like it's going to tangle a lot. But I think once I run like a flat iron through, because it's flat iron safe, you can run a flat iron through it. This is the lace. I think it is 13 by, no, this is 13 by 4, probably. So you can part it like down the middle, or it has like a natural part in the middle. But I wouldn't try to part it like on the sides unless you just do like a comb over look. But other than that, let's try her on. Ugh. They don't have any clasp in the back, but they have the part where you can adjust the size. So I got a small head, so I'm gonna adjust this. Let's see if this works. I can do it right. There we go. Okay. Okay. The lace isn't that bad. Look at that quality. Come on, Amazon. Okay. Oh, wow. Now, I watched these other girls like body this in another video, and I'm just like, I hope it's the same. Oh, honey, we gonna do some baby hairs. This gonna be cute. It does tangle, y'all. Remember, it is synthetic. I think it does have combs on the side, so I'm just gonna attach those. The lace is like semi-transparent, but at the same time, like you would know it's a lace on me, so I'm probably gonna add some pressed powder to it. And yeah. I feel like this wig right here, like, I really could wear this. I could wear this out and feel confident with it. What y'all think? Okay, you guys, so I parted it down the middle. I already have challenges with this wig, you guys. I mean, it's what to be expected when dealing with a synthetic wig. But honey, the shedding, unbelievable. Okay, it's not tangling that bad once you actually like run a good comb or something through it, but it's not that bad. But come on now, it's synthetic, so it's doing pretty good for a synthetic wig. So I parted it down the middle, but you can't really see it. So what I'm gonna do is add some concealer. This is LA Pro in the color Fawn and see if that makes a difference in distinction of the part. Let me part this a little bit more. I think I'm gonna pluck it a little bit too. I was told actually to pluck it with your hands because it's synthetic, but girl, I ain't got the time. I hope I don't pay for it later, honestly. Because I really want this to look as cute and natural as possible. Shed hairs from combing and plucking, but like I said, that's what's to be expected. It is synthetic, y'all. Okay, that looks better. I'm going to take my pressed powder and put it over the lace and in the lace so it'll look like my scalp instead of transparent lace. So I'm gonna take my pressed powder and I'm going to put it in the lace. You know what? No, we're gonna take this Fawn because it's not showing up the way I want it to. I think I got it on most of it. Oh, I got a little bit on the hair. Hope that doesn't make a huge difference. Plug these clamps in. This is really pretty. Like, I wouldn't normally do something like this, but this is like super pretty. It did bleed a little bit on the hair, but I feel like that's not a big deal. Maybe I was pressing too hard, I don't know, but whatever, whatevs. All right, so right now I'm going to cut the lace off. I'm going to cut the lace off and customize it a little bit. Okay, ladies or gentlemen. So I would not wear this wig anywhere besides taking pictures, okay? It just tangles extremely too much. I like the quality feel. It does not feel like a synthetic wig, but this, honey, just trying to, it's not gonna work, because I'm gonna constantly be running my fingers through it, and then it sheds a whole lot. So I wouldn't wear this outside, but it's very cute. Like, I'm gonna take some pictures in this today. You know, you can add some baby hairs. I didn't want to install it on my head because I'm wearing a different wig today, but I did want to, you know, try to do a little something, and I guess it served its purpose. It's cute, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna sit here in front with y'all. The lace looks really good. Like I said, I didn't install it, but if I installed it on my head, I'm sure it will look really nice and realistic. But I'm not completely sold. But let me know what you guys think. Like, I think it's really cute. I really do. I like the way the girls kind of like bodied it in the other videos. But honey, this is taking too much work for me. It's cute though. I can't lie. It just, look at that. It's starting to look cheap. It's like these ends. Oh, what I think I might do is cut it into a bob. That's what I think I'm gonna do. Or maybe you could do half up, half down or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna experiment a little bit more with this wig. But honey, honestly, it's a no for me, sis. It's a no. I do like the lace though. I do like the quality of the lace. I feel like it's very realistic, but being out and having to worry about the tangles and the shedding, like, it's all over my dress. Like, don't wear anything don't wear anything black, because you're definitely gonna see it. But other than that, I think it's cute, and I'm sure if you ladies bought it, you might like it. Play with it, figure it out a little bit more. But honey, this is causing me too much pain and suffering. No, but I do think I'm going to cut it into a bob or something. I don't know. What y'all think? What do you guys think? I think I like the comb over action too. What you think? See, it just takes too much to keep this combed. But I think I want to do this as a bob. I'm not sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to do a makeup look. Don't know what the hair is going to be like. Don't know if I might do it with this hair. Not sure. But I'm going to do a makeup look and also tell you guys about my trip to Panama. So hope you guys enjoy.